मुल्तानी official passage number 8 start. I am directed to say that one of the criteria laid down in para 6 of this department's circular letter dated the 7th May 1966 is physical fitness and mental alertness of the government servants concerned. Full stop. In issue has been raised as to how it should be determined. Full stop. Generally, it is easy for the head of department oblique head of offices with whom a person is working to judge the state of his health from his efficiency. Full stop. If a person is performing his duties efficiently, then the perception is that his health does not act as an obstacle in the way of his efficiency. Full stop. In such a case, no medical examination is called for to determine his physical fitness and mental alertness. Full stop. Para. Under the circumstances, it has been decided that unless a head of department oblique head of offices has any doubt about the physical fitness and mental alertness of a government servant, his case should be referred to a standing medical board, which is consulted at the time of recruitment to a post held by him. Full stop. A question has also been raised about the date from which the extension oblique reemployment period should be continued. Full stop. In this connection, attention is invited to para 20 of this department's letter under reference that normally a government servant should be given extension instead of reemployment. Full stop. Para. It has been decided that for the sake of uniformity, the period of extension should commence from the 1st of August, 1966, as most of the cases pertaining to those persons who have already crossed the age of 55 years will be finished before this date. Full stop. But if a case is not decided by this date, then the competent authority should fix a suitable date prior to the 20th September, 1966. Full stop. Similar action will be taken in the cases of re-employment. Full stop. In the case of those government servants who have not completed 55 years of age, the period of extension small commence from the date of person will attain the age of 55 years. Full stop.